Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this really simple beginner friendly eye using the Mented Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Let's get started. So I went ahead and did my left eye off camera. This is what we're going to be creating and we're going to be doing it on the right side. So we're going to start off with the Mented Cosmetic. Ooh, this is dirty. Let's wipe that off, y'all. Let's start again. So we're going to be using the Mented Cosmetic eyeshadow palette, guys. It's not new. I've been using it. I like this palette because it has a lot of neutral colors in it. It's very beginner friendly. These are the brushes we're going to be using to create this look. The one on the far left, don't worry about it. We're not going to use it. So we're going to start off with this MAC 239 brush, any small eyeshadow brush to pack on the color. And I like to start with my highlighting color. So next I'm going to go in right with the transition color. I'm going to use this color right here using my MAC 217 brush. It's an eyeshadow blending brush. Any fluffy brush will work. And I like to start with kind of packing in the color first, and then I go in, I buff it out. But I like to just kind of pack on that color and then buff. So you want to buff because you don't want to have that harsh line, and you kind of want to let the colors kind of blend into each other. So I'm not using any extra color. I'm just kind of buffing what already is on the brush. Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC paint pot. You can use any kind of base hair. I'm just using it so it kind of pops out the eyeshadow color a little bit more. I don't want a defined cut crease, so it's fine. I'm just kind of putting on a little bit and just to get that color to pop a little bit more. As you see, it's no defined structure here. It was just kind of to create a tacky surface so the eyeshadow can have something to stick to. So I'm gonna go in with my big eyeshadow brush. This one, I need to stop using it on camera, y'all. My dog chewed it up, but that's another story. I like this eyeshadow brush because it's large for my lid, and it's just a good eyeshadow brush to pack on color. If you notice, it's also a flat brush. You want to use a flat eyeshadow brush to pack on the color. If you use fluffy, everything is going to be all over the place, but this kind of keeps the eyeshadow all in one place. Next, I'm going to go in with this precision blending brush. I think it's a Juvia's, yeah, it's a Juvia's brush. And I'm going in with this chocolate color just to kind of create that corner V, to kind of smoke it out just a little bit. We don't want too much. So after we complete this pretty much wraps up the look. I'm gonna go in with some makeup wipes for whatever fallout happened, and that's pretty much it, guys. You go ahead and you put on your lashes. If you wear lashes, your mascara. I like to wear lashes and mascara. I put that on, boom, that's it. And that completes the look, guys. It's really simple, really beginner friendly. Oh yeah, I forgot makeup. Yeah, so that completes the look. I do have a full face makeup tutorial down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I also forgot some liner. Put some liner on, guys. I just forgot. But thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Talk to you later. Bye.